Paella was really good. Sangria was really good. I'm a little tipsy, and I'm walking backwards. And these guys are guiding me home. Thank you, guys. Oh, it'll be a last day in Europe, and I'll be really sad. Mañana, man. God, please help me. We're so far away from our hostel, and I'm a little bit tipsy. These guys want to go clubbing. All right, see you on the next episode. Bye.
Catalonia's Naughty State.
Dude, Jeff, where you at? It's almost 12 o'clock, and I'm kind of hungry right now. Jacob and I are just sitting, and we're doing nothing.
Yeah, Jed's hungry. I'm probably
Jeff,
a little hungry.
I'm hungry. Where are you? Why are you still asleep? Good morning, everyone. It's our last day in Barcelona. By default, it's also our last day in Europe, and we're really sad. Today, we're just going to relax. We're going to try to do as much as we can. Right now, we're just walking along the Rambla. It is one of the most famous streets here in Barcelona. So many shops to see, and I definitely need a souvenir from here in Barcelona. I need to get one more magnet. I already have magnets from London, Amsterdam, Paris, and Lucerne. All I need is a magnet from here, and I think La Rambla is the best place to do it.
But what has been Catalonia?
Catalonia's Naughty State.
Catalonia has been the greatest nation in the world. I will tell you why. Catalonia has had the first parliament much before England. Catalonia had the beginning of the United Nations.
Catalonia's Naughty State.
A lot of people here are wearing sunglasses, and I gotta blend in. Makes me look cool, huh? Makes me look cool. So we're here at Restaurante Salamanca. It's a really nice paella restaurant. Oh, it's a really nice restaurant. And the best thing about it is that it's situated near Barceloneta on the beach. I really want to swim right now, but I forgot my swimming trunks.
We keep it here a few minutes.
Catalonia's Naughty State.
All the authorities of Catalonia in the 11th century met in the city of France, at that time Catalonia, to speak about peace.
Alright, first bite of the paella. Gonna get some of that rice. Oh, hot. But good. Really good. So Jacob, Jeffrey, and I were talking about taking DNA tests, and I came upon this realization. Apparently, I do have some Spanish blood. My dad told me a long time ago that he was half Spanish. There's only one way to know. Take a DNA test. Apparently, here in this restaurant, the solution to being full is eating more food. So they gave us lemon cake. And I hope it's on the house. It's summertime here in Barcelona, and there's only one thing to do. Vamos a la playa. Is that how you say it?
Yep.
All right, here a la playa. How does ear become vamos? Vamos a la playa. I'm really mad right now because we're here at the beach and I didn't think to bring swim trunks and sandals. The only thing I have right now is socks and shoes, and I don't want to get my shoes really sandy. I should have done more calisthenics exercises back at home. Everyone here is just showing off. Man, everyone is just so physically active here. Like, you know, there's people doing pull-ups, there are people running, there are people doing ab exercises. If I go to the beach, I just usually lie down. Definitely digging this pier. It's really nice. We got a lot of smiling faces right over here. Cool. Ready for your close-up? This is gonna be Jeffrey's Abercrombie audition.
Oh yeah?
Alright, we just finished up with our photo shoot. Hopefully we get to be discovered by those catalog models. That's a fish, which looks like a big piece of metal. Looks like the lunch that we had earlier. Sea bass. So we are here at Catedral de Barcelona, the Barcelona Cathedral, and I didn't have a lot of expectations for it, but oh my god, it's really beautiful. Stairs. Why does it have to be stairs? Like, we even had an elevator, even though we did take an elevator up, but still, stairs. Our Europe trip was really epic, and what a better way to end it with a beautiful, epic view of Barcelona. I mean, take a look at this. this restaurant that we're at, able to write our name on the wall.